Here are some of the top algos that we, brand new algos that we are trading this week in our latest portfolio setup. Starting in the micros, and tick reversal is shorting this market in the future, shorting the Nasdaq futures. A lot of risk in the markets right now, a lot of headwinds, and so it could be advantageous to your portfolio to short the futures at times like this. You see gap continuation lost today on that burst rally. Cobra III lost yesterday. It is short today. Tick reversal taking this short trade, shorting again on another rally. I like how this shorts those bursts, and so we needed a strategy that shorted bursts, and tick reversal does that. Yesterday it shorted a small burst, got stopped out on a burst, but then shorted again and was down just a little bit on the day yesterday. Minus 285 on the Nasdaq yesterday, plus 43.95 today. And let's look at the performance of this setup. And this is a strategy that only worked since 2018. The market has changed if you go back, and so we're at new equity peaks in this strategy. We just started trading it, and so brand new strategy. It's always good to see confirmation and follow through with equity peaks, and we're getting that today. This one's still in a small drawdown. It shorts lows, and so you have a portfolio strategy, shorting lows, shorting rallies. Sometimes you don't get a chance to short the rallies, and other times that's the best way to do it, is to short the rallies. And right now, you can see this is one of the choppiest downtrends we've ever seen. Question came up. I heard the discussion today that is this the most fearful bull market ever because the average VIX is higher than normal? I think it's a bear market that has actually had rising prices because of Fed liquidity. Here is the new Cobra III. This is the closed trade equity curve. So this is yesterday's loss reflected here, and then today is short. And when this trade is over, it will plot. If it's a loser, this graph will be lower. If it's a winner, this will be higher. So wanted to give you an update on the latest strategies. Here is the portfolio calculator, stock index portfolio 25. It's listed on the micros. You could trade this on the minis as well. Multiply everything times 10 if you do. And so right now on the micros, say for example in 2020, it would be up 400,000 on the e-minis, hypothetically speaking, 400,000 on in 2021, and it'd be up 120,000 in January, February. And it's down just 976 per micro, or about 10,000 per e-mini. As of yesterday, it is up today about 700 per micro right now, intraday, within the first 2 hours. So still a lot of trading left in the session, and it includes 25 strategies. Let's go over the strategies. It only includes 2 overnight strategies. Night trader, which in this volatility, the stop loss or profit target is usually hit. It also includes 60-minute breakout on the Nasdaq, which can hold positions overnight or over the weekend. And session trades, there are 2 session trade strategies. The rest are, there's 25 total. 21 of those are day trades. So only two strategies that trade beyond the day trade margins during the session and don't hold past the session, and then 2 that hold past the session that are obviously not day trade. But this volatility will probably most likely be flat by the end of the session, because the volatility would dictate they either hit their stop loss or profit target pretty quickly. So here are the setups. There's 10 e-mini strategies and 15 e-mini Nasdaq strategies, and you can change those to ones to see what they would be like on e-minis instead of micros. And let's look at the drawdown curve. So going back to here, the worst case drawdown is about 3,700 in this time frame, and since mid 2011, the worst case drawdown is about 2,700. So it's geared more towards the current market environment that we're in, because we are at new index levels, new daily dollar ranges, and daily dollar volatility levels. The number of turning points based on 50-point moves is higher than it's ever been right now. So just take those into account. Have bigger stop losses that don't make sense historically. So And so those are this is the new setup. This number is higher when we delete data prior to mid 2011. This number was at the 50, I think 5400 area, 5400%. But this has all the data going back to 2008 when index levels were much different. And so wanted to share that with you. Wanted to share the latest strategies. All three of these strategies are included in this portfolio, and that is a stock index portfolio 25, taking the short side in today's market action.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.